Moo. So is that? Oh, you got the horse. What does the horse say?
Nee.
Neigh. What noise does it make when it's clip clopping along?
Yeah.
Clip clop. Oh, you're making a little fence.
Daddy.
You want a bit of help?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll get the cow for you.
Moo.
Moo, you got the cow. So here's the horse. The horse is in the paddock. The horse says neigh. Which one's going in the paddock next?
Mommy.
The cow, what is it? Moo. The cow says moo.
Moo.
Moo. Who else is going in the paddock?
Beach.
The pig. Put the pig in. What does the pig say?
Out.
Oink. Oh, the pig says ouch. Does the pig say oink?
Yeah.
Who else is going in? Oh, the chicken. I think that's the mummy chicken.
Mommy.
Mummy chicken? Where does the chicken go? What else can go in your paddock?
Bye.
Is that a turkey?
No.
So the turkey's going in.
Mom. No.
Oh, you don't want a goat. Where's the goat gone?
Daddy.
There's the goat, and the goat has horns. Is the goat going in the paddock?
No.
No, where does the goat live? Oh, lovely.
Bye.
Oh, bah, the sheep. Sheep says bah. Oh, the sheep's in between the horse and the cow. Where's the pig going? Oh, the pig's in between the sheep and the horse. Then we've got the turkey. Where's the turkey going? Oh, the turkey's in the back. Then which one? Now we've got the chicken, the hen. Oh, the hen's going in the back. There's one more. Which one's left?
Mommy.
Oh, that's the daddy chicken.
Daddy.
That's the rooster. What does the rooster say?
Moo.
You sure that's not a cow that says moo? What does the rooster say?
Nee.
Oh, that's the horse. Does the rooster say cock-a-doodle-doo?
Daddy.
Lovely, I like that one.